Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an Apollonian gasket pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So matplotlib.pyplot, this is the main library for plotting 2D and 3D figures in Python. We are using it to create and display the plot. And NumPy is a powerful numerical library in Python used for handling arrays and performing mathematical operations. It is useful for generating and coordinating data. So in this pattern we are not going to use MPL toolkits, but we'll use only matplotlib and NumPy. So now we'll draw a single circle. So this function draws a single circle on the plot, and x, y are the coordinates of the circle center and r is the radius of the center, where plt.circle, this creates a circle object at the given position with the specified radius. So the edge color is black, which ensures that the color's edge is outlined in black, and face color is none, ensure that the circle has no fillings, means it is transparent circle. And now we'll add a recursive function to create the Apollonian gasket. So this sets up the plotting area where plt.subplot figure size 6 by 6 creates a new plot with a figure size 6 into 6 inches, and ax.setAspect, this ensures the aspect ratio of the plot is equal, have the same scale. So ax.setXlimit is from -1.5 to +1.5. Similarly is for y limit, so these are centered and visible within the plot. Now we'll So here this line starts the recursion, and the initial radius 1 defines the radius of the first circle, the largest one, and Apollonian radius 5. This calls and starts the factorial drawing from the center of the plot 0 0 with an initial radius of 1 and a recursion depth of 5. The depth determines how many values make the factorial more. Now we'll set the title